Welcome, my dear students of grade 2 and your parents on our educational channel Think and Discover Malawi Governmental Language School. Today we start to discover Primary 2, second term, Theme 3, How the World Works, Chapter 1, The Nile I Know. Let's start the first lesson. Lesson 1 is called Noor Gets Exciting News. By the end of this lesson, students will learn Noor gets exciting news, meaning of geography, map of Egypt. Let's start lesson 1, first part of this lesson. Read the story, circle words you don't know on page 3. Most of the family was already eating when Noor came to the breakfast table. Grandma said, "Good morning, Noor. We have some exciting news for you." "Good morning, Grandma," Noor said. "What is the news?" "May I tell her?" Grandma Samir said, wiggling in his seat. "May I please?" "Of course, Samir," Grandma answered. "Please tell Noor our news." "We are going on a trip," Samir said happily. "A big trip? This sounds fun." "Where are we going?" Noor asked. "That's the best part," Sarah said. "We get to decide where we are going." "Oh, wow," Noor said. "This is going to be fun." After we read the story, we find difficult words like trap, wiggle, decide, exciting news. We know that Noor and her family are going to have a big trip. Now we talk about the second part of the lesson, geography. Repeat after me. Geography, geography. What is the meaning of geography? It is a study of land, air, and water and how they affect people's lives. We have an example of the effect of geography in our life. As you see in the picture, we can't live in the desert. Why? Because of lacking of water, there is no planting of crops. Let's move to the student's book and we answer the activity on page 4. What is the new word? Think about your own definition for the new word. Complete the chart. Vocabulary word. What is the vocabulary word? Very good. Geography, right? Geography. What is your definition of geography? Very good. Is the study of land and water and air and how they affect our life. Illustration. Please draw a picture to illustrate the effect of geography on our life. This is the answer of activity. Right, geography is the study of land, water, and air, and they affect people's lives. Now, We answer the second part of the activity. Give an example of how the land affects people. Life in the desert. We can't live in the desert because of lack of water. There is no planting of crops. Let's move to the second part of the lesson. We have to know a map of Egypt. Hello to Egypt. What is the map? It's a drawing, picture to illustrate the places. We have an example of legend. To understand the map, you have to know the legend of map. Every map has a legend. What does the legend means? It is the key that tells us what the colors and symbols on the map mean, the legend. As you see in the picture is an example of legend. Blue color represents sources of water on the map, like the Red Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and Lake Nasser, River Nile. Light green color represents the lowlands and plains like Delta. Yellow color represents the highlands and sand. Brown color on the map represents very high regions and mountains. Let's answer the activity on student book on page 5. Complete the legend. Blue color, right, water. Yellow color, right, highlands and sand. Green color, right, lowlands and plains. Brown color represents very high lands and mountains. We have new words in this lesson. After you study geography, air, land, mountains, map. Activity number 1. Complete the space with the given words. Affect, land, legend, air, water. Number 1. Geography is the study of space, and space. Number 2. Tells what colors and symbols on the map mean. Activity number 2. Match the words with the suitable for pictures. Geography, mountains, and map. Thank you for watching me. See you next video. Goodbye.